going to make a pyramid napkin fold. So this is the pyramid napkin fold. So first, fold the napkin in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Then, fold the corners to meet at top point. So these are the corners we will meet at top point. The right and the left. Then turn the napkin over, the open end facing away from you. So this is the open end. Turn the napkin over. And then, turn the napkin over again, this time, keeping the open end facing towards you. So this one, I will fold again, facing towards you. Then fold the napkin along the center seam, and you have a neat and sturdy pyramid napkin fold.
This is Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.